Hi kids! Let's learn the months of the year in Spanish. There are 12 months in a year. In Spanish we say
Meses del Año.
for months of the year:
Enero,
January,
febrero,
February,
marzo,
March,
abril,
April,
mayo,
May,
junio,
June,
julio,
July,
agosto,
August,
septiembre,
September,
octubre,
October,
noviembre,
November,
diciembre,
December. Let's do it again. And then we'll do a quiz to see how much you remember.
enero,
January,
febrero,
February,
marzo,
March,
abril,
April,
mayo,
May,
junio,
June,
julio,
July,
agosto,
August,
septiembre,
September,
octubre,
October,
noviembre,
November,
diciembre,
December. What is the Spanish name for December?
diciembre,
What is the Spanish name for April?
abril,
What is the Spanish name for February?
febrero,
What is the Spanish name for September?
septiembre,
What is the Spanish name for January?
enero.
Good job! Thanks for watching! Remember to like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.